XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of 91 following by 95. As we can see, the price tagged the first one, but there was no continuation. Okay, no one see what's the next. We don't need, I mean, we keep these lines there. All right, now want to see how we can look at the chart. First of all, we move to daily chart. Again, we have been looking for the reversal, and we mentioned we want to see the price reverse because we have been looking for this correction. Okay, still we're looking for the correction, but the way it's reversing is quite corrective. It's not really good as what we were expected because Bitcoin reversing is much faster. I mean, the way it's reversing is much stronger than the rest. And right now, still we're looking at this flat. That means we put the first correction. This one, these 3 waves as a correction. Internal, we're looking at this one in relative to this. We were expecting the price to reverse quite sharply, similar to what we get here, but the way it's reversing is very corrective. If the price reverses as a corrective, it's not really good for us because mostly we can expect this one turn to a bigger correction, and even the price can drop and turn to a deeper move. Okay, that's why from now, whoever get a trade for buying, they need to be at least move the stop loss to break even. Okay, but still we are more interested to look for reversal. We want to see how we can look for trade. If I move to 1 hour chart, all right now I'm looking, because if we refer to our analysis based on 15 minute in my last video, we mentioned we can expect this one 10 to internal flat, and exactly this is what we get. Okay, no, the only thing is whether we can put this one in relative to this. We look at this one as a flat or not. Okay, that's mean if you want to look for buy, still we can look at this one as a correction for continuation. And even if this is, we want to put this one in relative to this, we want to look for buy. We don't want to see the breakout of 86 cents. Okay, just make it the numbers. I make it very right, 86, which is the 50% of this move. All right, that means right now we can put our line here. We want to see whether this is a flat. We can as a running flat or not. Okay, again, I need to highlight the ways reversing is really corrective. And even if they continue as a corrective move, mostly any trade from now is a short-term trade. And the only times we can expect the price to drop if we get the flag here. Then from there, we can consider whether we should look for buy or sell, whether we should look for sell or not. Okay, but for me, I want to see one move up, because mostly if we get one move up with the breakout of the previous top, if then from there, maybe we can look for the indicators. Then from there, we can make a decision whether the price is going to reverse, continue as an up move, or we can expect this one as a correction for price to drop. And one thing I need to highlight here, because last time whatever the move we get is what exactly same as movement from the Bitcoin. But right now for the reversal, the Bitcoin got the better action. The price, the way reverse was really good, very sharp, but the rest, the reversing is very corrective. Okay, by the way, still we're looking for the up move, but as a corrective way. And right now I'm looking at the flat. I want to see whether I can get the running flat or not. Okay, selling right now, even we don't have any trade setup to look for. And as I mentioned, unless we get the flag here, then from there, maybe we can consider. But as long as the price haven't broke 86 cents, any reversal for buy, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, because mostly we want to see the price move within the 90 cent, the zone which is for the 90 cent. As you can see, the first time the price almost tagged, it couldn't break, and then after that tag around 93, then sharply drop. Okay, still we are looking for buy, but right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy or sell, and right now I'm looking at this one as a flat, running flat. That means if we get any reversal as either based on a 1 hour chart or 15 minutes as a buy, we will take it. But as I mentioned, is a short-term trade from now, because the way it's moving is really corrective. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.